Today we will talk about how to make money from the comfort of your home online in 2024. Welcome to our video on making money online in 2024. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Want to earn extra income or even replace your full-time job? You're in the right place. Today, we'll share proven strategies to make money online. 1. Online opportunities. In 2024, the internet offers countless ways to earn money. Some popular options include e-commerce and dropshipping, digital marketing and affiliate marketing, creating and selling online courses, freelancing on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, YouTube and Twitch streaming. These opportunities require dedication and effort, but can generate significant income. 2. Passive income streams. Passive income streams can provide financial freedom. Consider investing in dividend-paying stocks or real estate investment trusts, REITs, creating and selling digital products like ebooks or software, affiliate marketing and sponsored content, renting out spare rooms on Airbnb or renting out your home on VRBO. These streams can earn you money while you sleep. 3. Actionable tips. To succeed online, remember, identify your niche or expertise. Build a strong online presence through social media and websites. Develop valuable skills like content creation or coding. Stay consistent and patient. Continuously learn and adapt to changes in the online landscape. Making money online in 2024 requires creativity, persistence, and the right strategies. Start by choosing an opportunity that aligns with your skills and interests. Take action, stay committed, and watch your online income grow. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or want more information, leave a comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on online money-making strategies. Start building your online wealth today.